Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again in the forex market. Today we once again prepare some combining view on the two currencies, so euro currency and the Great British pound, just because it's not much to talk about right now. Everybody still waits for a Fed meeting. The result we will get in a few hours in the second half of the day. Meantime, euro shows some minor upward action on intraday charts, but all this stuff stands still inside of the high wave pattern, so that really not big deal. This market shows some pullback, but still you can see some upward action. And here, if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, that's the triangle that we discussed yesterday. Inside of the triangle we have this ABCD pattern and that is equal to buy. So this ABCD minor extension stands at the COP around 1165. That's the nearest target of this ABCD extension. At the same time, if we'll take a look in the minor ABC bottom, you will see that here is also XOP. So market currently shows the reaction on XOP. But all this stuff is kind of the chaotic fluctuations. It indicates is waiting process, that market still waits. Spending time inside of this wide range still stands flat. So everything that we have talked about, possible entry opportunity if you would like to trade Fed meeting results right at the moment of the release. So when you deal with the high wave patterns, sometimes it is could be really useful in trying to use the stop entry orders. So this is additional tool that investors and the traders very often forget about, and actually this is really very good and powerful tool, and sometimes it could help when other tools that you have in your arsenal can't help you. So currently we are still watching what is going on. On the dollar index, as soon as the Great British pound stop falling, you can see it turns to the sideways action. Slightly hasn't quite reached the OP target. It seems that probably sooner rather than later today, somehow the OP target should be hit. Maybe it will be volatility, this just spike up on the Fed Reserve meeting. Maybe some other events will happen, but as market stands very close to the OP, it's very good chances that market should hit it. Well, whether it will be either the real upside breakout on the Fed meeting results, or it will be just spike up, that really could happen. In a parallel analysis, we should also consider this on the euro currency, because if this will happen on the dollar index, why it can't happen on the euro? And it means on the euro we could get some spike to the downside. It's also possible. On the euro currency, the OP stands really far. I don't know whether it will be enough power to complete the OP here as well, but we should be prepared for that, and especially those of you who trying to take the part in this doom and gloom at the evening. Now, what we have on Great British Pound. On the Great British Pound, yesterday we talked about the major COP on the weekly chart and weekly oversold, and we said currently it's not a good idea for taking any new shorts, because market yesterday actually hasn't created the new lows, and all trading stands inside the same range. On the daily chart, market right now also stands overextended to the downside. It's oversold area, and take a look, it has hit 107 extension 2146. We talked about it in our weekly report. This is XA swing, it's 117 extension to the downside. You could also imagine here maybe the butterfly, but the targets will be the same, so right here. So, and here we could talk only on some maybe short-term tactical stuff. For example, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have very good thrust down. Market stands overextended to the downside. Market has hit two targets, COP on the weekly and 107 extension on the daily, so here some support exists. maybe we will get some Jordan application. Currently, it seems that the double repo buy maybe will be more probable in the current situation, and it could trigger some pullback, some relief. Maybe it will happen on the profit taking before the Fed. It's also possible. But anyway, overall background seems not bad. So thrust down, and maybe here we will get something. Currently, guys, we just can't talk about something else because we do not have some major longer-term setups. All that we could do at the eve of the Fed is just discuss the tactical issues. In general, on the euro currency, we do not have something really special. I do not see any good chances, any good setups for trading immediately. So no attractive patterns we have. That is actually difficult to call as something really attractive. This upward retracement action. On the Great British Pound, we could get Jordan setup. That's all that we could discuss right now in this moment. So those of you who would like to trade Fed meeting release moment should start preparation to that, thinking where they will place some orders, how they will trade. Others who do not have intention to trade it just should sit on their hands and wait for the results. Tomorrow, I'm sure that we will get absolutely different picture in the markets, and I think that will be a lot of background for a discussion tomorrow.